So you're gonna wanna pour, not too much, but some water in there. Oh yeah. Then you're gonna wanna close the lid nice and softly. Put the cup under, turn it on, and wait. Alright guys, so I think my coffee is done, so let me just go over here and just... Oh shoot! Oh!
2,000 years later.
(1935). So we have not had a storm in the Atlantic Basin make landfall this strong since 1935. And now the focus is how close does it come to the east coast of Florida before it makes that turn. And I'm going to tell you, until we get nothing but a northerly component to the wind, we don't let the guard down here.
If the current forecast path holds. Also in Miami, Mayor Francis Suarez saying as Hurricane Dorian begins to trickle north, the possibility of tropical storm conditions still remains for Miami.
Two 2,000 years later.
I'm gonna give this lady, I'm gonna give this lady a $10 tip just for her. Let's go. Time to go in and do this. Hey, what's up? It's nice to see you again. I need to order something else. I need a vanilla frap. Here's a $10 tip. Am I allowed to put you on camera?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, what's up? It's nice to see you again.
Hi.
Here's a $10 tip.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would like a vanilla frap, please.
What size?
Small.
That's it, Brian?